Hey everybody! Welcome back to the Academy of Vitality and Health. Here we focus on helping you live healthier, teach you about your health and body, feel amazing and improve your lifestyle. Join us on the journey to vitality and well-being. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tips, advice and inspiration. Let's discover a healthier, happier life together. You know, taking care of your health is like building a house. You need the right foundation, the right tools, and the right knowledge to do it right. And that's what we're all about here. We're passionate about giving you the information you need to make smart choices about your health so you can feel your absolute best. Whether you're just starting your health journey or you're a seasoned pro, we're here to support you every step of the way. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with a bang, or should I say, a berry. These tiny fruits pack a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. We're talking about those little powerhouses like blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and cranberries. Each one is a nutritional dynamo. Now you might be thinking, what's so special about berries? Well, my friends, they're bursting with antioxidants. These compounds are essential for maintaining good health. Think of antioxidants as your body's own personal defense squad, fighting off those nasty free radicals that can wreak havoc on your cells, including those in your kidneys. They neutralize these harmful molecules, preventing damage. And when it comes to kidney health, oxidative stress is a major culprit. This stress can lead to chronic kidney disease and other complications. It's like rust slowly eating away at your car, compromising its function. Over time, this can severely impact your kidney's ability to filter waste from your blood. But fear not, Berry Brigade to the rescue. These fruits are like tiny superheroes, swooping in to save the day. These colorful gems help reduce that oxidative stress, keeping your kidneys running smoothly. Plus, they're delicious. You can easily incorporate them into your diet. So add a handful to your breakfast, your yogurt, or even your salads. They not only enhance the flavor but also boost your health. Your kidneys will thank you. Remember, a small change in your diet can make a big difference in your overall health. Next up, we're going green. And trust me, your kidneys are going to thank you for it. And no, I'm not talking about that questionable smoothie you tried last week. You know, the one that made you question all your life choices. I'm talking about leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens. These are the real deal when it comes to superfoods. These nutritional powerhouses are like the multivitamins of the vegetable world, packed with essential vitamins and minerals that your kidneys absolutely love. They are nature's gift to your body. We're talking about vitamin K, which helps regulate blood clotting and calcium levels, both crucial for kidney health. Without enough vitamin K, your body could struggle to maintain these vital functions. And let's not forget about potassium, a mineral that helps balance fluids in your body, taking some of the workload off your kidneys. Potassium is like a personal assistant for your kidneys, helping them function more efficiently. But wait, there's more! Leafy greens are also a good source of dietary nitrates, which can help lower blood pressure, another important factor in maintaining healthy kidneys. Lower blood pressure means less strain on your kidneys, allowing them to work more effectively. So load up on those salads, sauté them with some garlic, more on that later, or blend them into a delicious smoothie. There are so many ways to enjoy these greens, and your kidneys will benefit from every bite. Your kidneys will be singing your praises. So go ahead and make leafy greens a staple in your diet. Your body will thank you. Now let's talk about garlic, the superhero of the kitchen. Not only does it add a punch of flavor to your dishes, but it's also a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Remember how we talked about inflammation being a bad guy for your kidneys? Well, garlic is here to save the day. It contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the kidneys. And if that wasn't enough, garlic is also known to help lower blood pressure, a major risk factor for kidney disease. So, don't be shy with the garlic. Add it to your stir-fries, your soups, or even roast a whole head for a delicious and healthy treat. Your kidneys and your taste buds will thank you. An apple a day keeps kidney problems away. Remember that old saying? Well, it turns out there's some truth to it, especially when it comes to your kidneys. Apples are a fantastic source of fiber, which is like a scrub brush for your digestive system, helping to remove waste products and toxins that can build up and put a strain on your kidneys. But that's not all. Apples are also packed with anti-inflammatory compounds like quercetin, which can help protect your kidneys from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. So the next time you're looking for a healthy and delicious snack, reach for an apple. Your kidneys will be thanking you with every crunchy bite. Fish dive into kidney health. Now let's dive into the wonderful world of fish. But not just any fish, we're talking about fatty fish like salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines. These swimmers are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are like the superheroes of the fat world. Omega-3s are powerful anti-inflammatory agents, helping to reduce inflammation throughout your body, including your kidneys. Plus, they've been shown to help lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels, all of which are essential for maintaining healthy kidneys. So aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week. Your kidneys and your taste buds will be hooked. Olive oil liquid gold for your kidneys. Next up, we're drizzling in some liquid gold olive oil. This heart-healthy oil is a staple in the Mediterranean diet, which is known for its numerous health benefits, including kidney protection. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are considered good fats that can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease, a major risk factor for kidney disease. But wait, there's more. Olive oil is also a great source of antioxidants like vitamin E, which can help protect your kidneys from damage caused by free radicals. So, ditch those unhealthy processed oils and make olive oil your go-to for cooking and dressing your salads. Your kidneys will thank you for the Mediterranean makeover. Red bell peppers, colorful kidney support. Last but not least, let's add some vibrant color to our plates with red bell peppers. These bright and beautiful vegetables are not just a feast for the eyes, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. These crunchy delights are not only delicious but also incredibly good for your kidneys. Their sweet, crisp texture makes them a versatile addition to any meal. Red bell peppers are naturally low in potassium, which is a big deal for people with kidney problems who need to limit their potassium intake. This makes them a safe and tasty option for those managing kidney health. But don't let that fool you. They're still packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They offer a wealth of nutrients without the high potassium levels. We're talking about vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your kidneys from damage and boosts your immune system. And let's not forget vitamin A, which is important for maintaining healthy cell growth and function. This vitamin is crucial for vision, skin health, and overall cellular function. So, slice them up in your salads, adding a burst of color and crunch that will make your meals more exciting and nutritious. Stuff them with healthy fillings like quinoa, beans, or lean meats for a hearty and satisfying dish that's both delicious and kidney-friendly, or simply enjoy them as a crunchy snack. Perfect for dipping into hummus or your favorite low-sodium dip. Your kidneys will be beaming with every bite, so go ahead, make red bell peppers a regular part of your diet, and enjoy their many health benefits. 7 foods for a healthier you. So there you have it, folks. 7 incredible foods that can help support your kidneys and enhance your overall health. By incorporating these nutritional powerhouses into your diet, you're giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being, so show your kidneys some love and enjoy these delicious and healthy foods. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.